Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications, because today we are diving deep into a super important topic that affects millions of South Africans across the country. Yes, I am talking about the latest updates on SASSA grants, and you do not want to miss a single detail. So if you or someone in your family depends on a SASSA grant, this video is for you. We are talking about payment updates, policy shifts, and even some exciting changes that could make things easier and better for grant beneficiaries across South Africa. So sit tight and watch this video until the very end, because there's so much valuable information that I am going to break down for you in simple, everyday language. Let us start with a burning question on everyone's mind. When are the payments happening? Now, SASSA has confirmed the payment schedule for the coming months. And yes, as always, the order of payment will follow the pattern we have come to expect. This means that older persons' grants will be paid first, followed by disability grants, and then child support and other remaining grants. Now, if you are wondering whether these dates have shifted slightly, yes, there have been a few small adjustments, and we will talk about that in a moment. But before we go into those dates, let me just say I know how stressful it is when your payment does not come through on time, and the queue at the post office or retailers is miles long. SASSA has said they are actively working to reduce delays and ensure smoother distribution across all pay points, including banks, ATMs, post offices, and approved retail stores. Now onto the dates for this payment cycle. Older persons' grants are usually paid out in the first week of the month, and they will continue with that schedule, followed the next day by disability grants, and then the rest. So make sure you mark your calendar and check your balance using the SASSA WhatsApp service or their official website to confirm when your money is available. Now let us talk about something that is honestly quite exciting. SASSA has announced some upgrades to their systems and services to improve the experience for beneficiaries across the board. One of the most significant changes is around the SRD grant, which, as you know, has been extended for the next financial year. Now, this is huge news for millions of unemployed South Africans who rely on that R370 every month. And yes, I said R370 because there's also a little update on the grant amount. For the first time in a while, the SRD grant has been adjusted slightly upwards from R350 to R370 per month. While it may not seem like a big increase, it is still a step in the right direction, and SASSA says they are working with the Treasury to make further improvements in the future. The hope is that this small change can help offset the rising cost of living. Now, here is a key update on how to apply for the SRD grant going forward. If you are reapplying or applying for the first time, everything is done online through the SASSA SRD portal. No need to go to the office unless specifically instructed. You just go to the website, fill out your personal details, and follow the prompts. Remember to use the correct banking details and double-check your ID number, phone number, and address, so there are no delays in processing. Also, and this is a big one, SASSA has introduced more secure verification steps to prevent fraud. That means more ID verification, cross-checks, and mobile phone validation. So, if you get a message asking you to confirm your application, make sure it is from the official SASSA line and not a scammer trying to get your info. Speaking of scams, there has been a rise in fake messages, fake calls, and even fake websites pretending to be SASSA and targeting people, especially the elderly. So here is your reminder: never give out your SASSA details to anyone over the phone unless you are absolutely sure it is a legitimate SASSA agent. Rather go to the official site or call their toll-free number. All right, let us switch gears a bit and talk about the Child Support Grant, Foster Child Grant, and the Care Dependency Grant. Good news here as well. While the amounts for these grants have not changed dramatically, yet there are discussions happening in government about increasing them to better reflect inflation. We will keep a close eye on those developments and bring them to you as soon as they are confirmed. Now, one thing I want to clear up is confusion around lapsed grants. Some of you have messaged saying your grant was suspended or canceled without clear reason, and you are not alone. SASSA says many grants were suspended due to beneficiaries not updating their details or missing a life certificate submission, especially among older beneficiaries. This is very important. So here's what you need to do if you suspect your grant has been stopped. The first step is to visit your nearest SASSA office or contact their helpline. You may be required to verify your identity or provide recent documents like proof of residence or income changes. It is better to handle this quickly, because the longer it takes, the harder it becomes to reinstate your grant. Also, new developments are underway in terms of digital services. SASSA is testing out new features in their mobile app and online portal to allow you to track your application status, get payment alerts, and even update your details all from your phone once these features are rolled out nationwide. It is going to make life a lot easier, especially for people in rural areas who have trouble getting to physical offices. And here's something interesting. SASSA has said they are looking at launching financial literacy programs to help beneficiaries make the most of their grants. They understand that for many people, the grant is not just a support system, it is the entire monthly income. So they want to help people plan better, save where possible, and avoid falling victim to loan sharks. To wrap up everything we talked about today, yes, SASSA has confirmed upcoming payment dates and is sticking to the usual pattern. Yes, the SRD grant has been increased from R350 to R370 and reapplications are fully digital now. Yes, there are more verification steps to fight fraud. And yes, there are exciting changes coming to digital tools and potentially grant amounts in the future. Now you know, I always want to hear from you. So if you are a SASSA beneficiary and you have faced problems, or you have some tips that helped you get your payment faster, drop them in the comments below. Your experience could really help someone else watching. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family so no one misses out on these important updates. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel a lot and shows me that you want more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video where we continue to break down all the latest news affecting your everyday life. Until then, stay safe, stay informed, and keep checking in for more updates. Peace out, everyone.